Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a topic that's very common yet often overlooked, the fear of childbirth. But if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future videos. Let's dive in. Childbirth is a natural process, but the thought of going through it can be daunting for many women. This fear can be so intense that it overwhelms women, causing stress, anxiety, and even leading them to avoid pregnancy altogether. There are two types of fear, primary and secondary. Primary fear occurs in women who have not given birth before. It's often related to traumatic childhood experiences, stories of painful childbirth from others, or anxiety disorders. And secondary fear occurs in women who have previously had traumatic birthing experiences. The fear of childbirth can manifest in various ways. Some women fear the pain associated with labor, others fear complications that could harm them or their baby, and some fear the loss of control. So it's important to remember that these fears are valid and more common than you might think. So, how can we address this fear? The first step is acknowledging it. Speak openly about your fears with your doctor. They can provide factual information to debunk any myths and offer reassurance about the birthing process. Prenatal classes can also be beneficial as they provide practical knowledge about childbirth and coping mechanisms. Therapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, can be effective in managing this fear. It helps in changing the pattern of thought about childbirth and reducing anxiety. In some cases, medication may be recommended. Remember, every woman's birthing experience is unique. Just because someone you know had a difficult experience doesn't mean you will too. It's essential to focus on positive stories as well. So, in conclusion, fear of childbirth is a significant concern for many women. But with the right support, information, and preparation, it can be managed effectively. If you are struggling with this fear, remember you are not alone and help is available. So, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.